Alright guys, this is the process to do the Imei repair on the Galaxy Note 9. This is the process you have to do before you connect to us. This is not a tutorial, this is a service that we offer because for the Imei repair Note 9 there is no way to do it like with the software like the Note 9 or something like that, like the Google account or something else like Unlock. This is doing by Samsung server, so it's not like easy. So before you start it, you have to go to setting, and then you have to go to about device, and then you see this Imei. This Imei you see right here is it will be changed because that Imei is being blocked by T-Mobile. It was unpaid bill, so it's not working anymore. Any company. Okay, so to enable USB debugging, you're going to go to software information, build number, click build number 7 times. Then developer option will be power on. Then you go back, and next to about device is developer option. You select developer option. You look for USB debugging must be on. So you power on USB debugging. Okay, that is on. Then you connect the cable to the computer, the USB cable. Make sure the computer read the Note 9. So now we're going to download the software USB redirector. I'm going to leave the link in my video. You download the software. You run the software. Okay. Okay. The software is going to run right now. You have to put one IP from the technician that is R. This IP change every time. It's not the same. Okay, there is the software that we use. It's a secure software. It's no virus or something like that. Okay, there is asking for the technician address. You put the technician address. Oh, sorry, that's the IP. Put the technician address there. Then he say plug your device. You disconnect the device from the computer and plug it in again to the software recognize. See, the software say waiting for the technician service. So now you're going to see the Imei here will be changed. This will take about 10 to 20 minutes.
Thank you. Thank you.
This Imei repair is lifetime warranty. Keep your screen on because the the phone will ask for the enable USB debugging. We just have to wait till we connect to the server, and then we start working on the phone. Repeat, this is not a tutorial how to change the Imei and the Note 9. There is no way to do the Imei repair for free on the new device. There is high security in this phone, so had to be paid anyway.
Let's all close our eyes for a moment. Let's all close our eyes and pray to Jesus for help us out in this time of need right now. Oh Lord, we ask you to please give us your strength, give us your hope, and give us your clarity. Please help us. We ask you to please take care of now. And in this test, may you please show us an unadulterated sign.
This is just the process. If you subscribe, I will keep making videos, tutorials for Google account removal, some Galaxy Imei change for the one who can be changed with the software. For this Note 9 or Galaxy Note 10, this cannot be used like software to Imei change. We can remove the Google account. I can make a video to how to remove the Google account, but I need you guys subscribe to my channel, and then I will start doing it. If I don't have subscribers, I will not start doing nothing. This will take, like I told you, from 10 to 20 minutes.
That he plays on the flesh of the innocent. He defiles the flesh of the innocent. Yeah. It says right here that the possessed only salvation will come in death. Look at him.
We don't have any problems now.
You come to the end of the video if you don't want to wait. Make sure the software is in step 2 like this. With that way we are getting your device in our computer.
Get him, if you would. Now go ahead down the leg. Do the 6. Lay down. Now make you comfortable. Are you comfortable?
Yes, sir.
You Gentlemen, I do not need your help unless I ask for it. I ask you to respectfully stay over there. What I need from you, gentlemen, is your faith, your courage, and your love. Because why we are here is because we love Nell. And we want Nell to get better. Isn't that right?
we're going to click on always allow from this computer and press OK. See the phone restart. We are just working on the phone. New Imei done. Want to see the same phone. See, the Imei is ready. So this phone is already fixed. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video if you like it. If you need the service, just go to the link we left in the description of the video. Repeat, this is not a tutorial. This is just how we repair your Knock 9 or any device remotely. Thank you.